Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something seriously powerful in a surprisingly compact form, the MINISFORUM MS-01 Mini Workstation. At first glance, this tiny PC might look like your average mini system, but once you dig into the specs, it's anything but average. With an Intel Core i9-13900H, 32 GB of RAM, and a 1 TB SSD, this machine is geared for serious productivity, high-resolution media work, and even advanced networking tasks. Whether you're a developer, video editor, 3D modeler, or IT professional, this little beast can handle just about anything you throw at it. The star of the show here is clearly the Core i9-13900H, a high-end mobile processor that brings desktop-class performance to this miniature workstation. It's got 14 cores and 20 threads, which translates into serious multitasking power. I tested it with Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects, and Blender running simultaneously, no lag, no hiccups. Whether you're editing 4K video or crunching code, the MS-01 doesn't flinch. The thermal design is also well thought out, with dual fans keeping temperatures stable even under load. Backing that CPU is 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, which is fast, responsive, and gives you plenty of breathing room for demanding workloads. You can also upgrade if needed, but for most users, 32 GB is more than enough to juggle VMS, browser tabs, large data sets, and creative apps. Add to that the 1 TB NVMe SSD, and you've got blazing fast storage for booting, loading, and saving large files. No bottlenecks here, everything just works seamlessly. Where this machine really shines is in its connectivity. You've got two USB 4 ports that support 8K display output, plus an HDMI port, giving you the option to run multiple high-resolution monitors. Perfect for video editors or stock traders who need that multi-screen setup. On the networking front, it's a dream machine, two 10G SFP plus ports for ultra-high-speed data transfers, plus two 2.5G LAN ports. Whether you're building a home lab, managing remote servers, or just want ultra-fast internet and file transfers, this setup is unmatched in the mini PC category. If you're someone who needs more than just raw compute power, the MS-01 also offers something really unique: support for M.2 2280, 22110, and U.2 SSDs, as well as external GPU compatibility, including RTX 3050 and other graphics cards via PCIe. This turns your compact box into a scalable workstation. Whether you want to expand storage or ramp up graphical horsepower for rendering or gaming, you're not locked into a fixed configuration. That's incredibly rare at this size and price point. Physically, the build is solid and professional looking, minimal, matte black, with great port access front and back. It's small enough to mount behind a monitor or stash under a desk, but stylish enough to leave out on display. And because it runs so quiet, it's perfect for office environments, home studios, or shared spaces. It's that rare combination of subtle design and beast-level performance. I also want to highlight how reliable this system has been under extended testing. No crashes, no throttling, just smooth and consistent performance. MINISFORUM clearly put a lot of thought into the thermal and power design here, which is essential when you're packing this much into a small form factor. Whether you're using it for intensive daily tasks or letting it run server workloads 24/7, it holds up like a champ. All in all, the MINISFORUM MS-01 is easily one of the most impressive mini PCs on the market right now, not just because of the i9 performance or the massive RAM and SSD combo, but because of how much flexibility and power it offers for professionals. If you're looking for a compact workstation that doesn't compromise on performance or expandability, this one is definitely worth checking out. Click the link below for the best price and more info.